Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Introducing yourself in English is one of the most basic and important communication skills. It helps you start conversations, make new friends, speak in interviews, and feel more confident when you're talking to others. The good news is that you don't need complicated grammar or advanced vocabulary to introduce yourself well. You just need a few simple sentences, and with a little practice, anyone can do it. Let's begin with your name. This is usually the first thing people want to know. You can simply say, "Hi, my name is Alex," or "Hello, I'm Priya." Both ways are polite and correct. If you're in a formal situation, like a meeting or presentation, you might also say, "Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahul Sharma." If you're in a more casual situation, like meeting someone at a party or online, "I'm John," or "I'm Anna," works perfectly. After sharing your name, the next thing you can talk about is where you're from. This helps others understand more about your background. You can say, "I'm from Brazil," or "I'm from a small town in the south of France." If you've moved to a new place recently, you might say, "I'm originally from Japan, but now I live in Canada." You don't need to give too much detail, just a city or country is usually enough. Now let's talk about what you do. Are you a student? Are you working? Are you doing something else, like traveling or learning a new skill? You can say, "I'm a student at Delhi University," or "I work as a graphic designer." If you're not working right now, it's okay to say, "I'm currently looking for new job opportunities," or "I'm taking a break and focusing on personal development." If you're still in school, you can say, "I'm in 10th grade," or "I'm studying science in college." After that, it's a great idea to share something personal, like your hobbies, interests, or passions. This is what makes your introduction unique and more engaging. You could say things like, "In my free time, I enjoy reading books and watching documentaries," or "I love playing football and spending time outdoors." You might also say, "One of my hobbies is cooking. I like trying out new recipes." If you're into music, you could say, "I play the piano," or "I love listening to jazz." Sharing your interests gives people something to connect with. They might have the same hobbies or be curious about yours, and that can lead to a longer, more natural conversation. You can also mention something unique or fun about yourself. For example, "I've traveled to 10 different countries. I speak 3 languages, English, Hindi, and Spanish. I've recently started learning photography." These kinds of details make your introduction more memorable and can spark interesting questions from others. Sometimes, you might be introducing yourself in a professional or academic setting. In those cases, you can also include a short sentence about your goals or what you're passionate about. For example, "I'm passionate about environmental sustainability and I hope to work in the renewable energy sector," or "My goal is to become a successful entrepreneur and start my own business." At the end of your introduction, it's nice to say something polite or friendly. This shows good manners and leaves a positive impression. You can say, "Nice to meet you," or "I'm looking forward to working with you." If you're in a class or online group, you might say, "I'm happy to be part of this community." Let's look at a full example. "Hi, my name is Aisha. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya. I'm a university student studying computer science. I enjoy reading novels, coding, and watching science fiction movies. Recently, I started learning Korean because I love K-dramas. I hope to work in artificial intelligence one day. It's great to meet you." Notice how this introduction is clear, simple, and gives the listener a full picture of who Aisha is. If you're nervous about introducing yourself, don't worry. Everyone feels that way at first. The key is to practice out loud. You can even write down your introduction and say it in front of a mirror. Try recording yourself and listening back. This will help you improve your pronunciation and become more comfortable. You can also ask a friend or teacher to give you feedback. Start with short introductions, then slowly add more details as you gain confidence. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. So now it's your turn. Try writing a short self-introduction in the comments. I'll read it and give you feedback. Remember, keep it simple, be yourself, and have fun with it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vocab Builder for more easy English lessons every week.